Hello, everyone. I'm Johnson. Today, we are going to learn how to create a button toggle. A button toggle, also known as a switch, is a user interface element that allows users to turn an option on or off. Let's create the prototype. First, create basic button toggles. Drag the stroke button created in the previous lesson. Set the left corner radius value. Enter bold. Then duplicate the button, remove its corner radius. Enter italic. Duplicate the button again. Enter underline. Set the right corner radius value. Adjust the visibility of the border. Then set a selection group for the three buttons. Select the first button. Add a click interaction. Select this widget. Copy and paste the interaction to the other elements. Then set selected style effect for the buttons. Copy and paste the style effect to the other buttons. Next, let's create the button Google selection mode. Add a title to it. Modify the text of the three buttons. Duplicate the title and button group. Change the title to multiple selection. Here we need to set the button toggle to be multi-selectable. Modify the selection group of the button toggle above. Remove the selection group of this button toggle. Then change the button interaction to toggle. Next, let's create the legacy appearance in Appearance. Drag an erased button we created in the previous lesson. Then duplicate a button toggle. Copy and paste the style of the raised button to all buttons. Then adjust the button's corner radius, as well as its text color. Then add a selected style effect to it. Preview the prototype. When you click the button toggle, you can switch the button's selection state. In the multiple selection button toggle, you can select multiple buttons. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.